Hello everyone, welcome to FHAlenders.com. Today we're going to talk about why a home might not qualify for an FHA loan, or why the home might not be approved for an FHA loan. And there could be quite a few reasons. The first thing is the home type. So FHA will finance homes that are anywhere from a 1 to 4 unit or family home, right? Single family, duplex, 3 unit or 4 unit. They will not finance properties that are greater than 4 units. You can also finance a property that might be mixed use, which means that you've got maybe a 2 unit, and you've got, let's say, a property upstairs, an apartment that you might live in, and down below could be a storefront. There are rules as to what percentage of the building, more than half of the building, would need to be residential. FHA loans, you can use them to finance mobile homes and also manufactured prefab homes. So there are various different types. Condos, townhouses, these are all approved for FHA. Now, knowing the types of properties is one thing. Next is, will the property pass inspection? So this is where it can get complicated. Now, the FHA guidelines require the inspector to do a very thorough inspection to make sure that the property is safe, no hazardous materials, is in good working order. Okay, so you can't have lead paint, you cannot have asbestos, you cannot have any hazardous materials stored in the garage, for example. All the electrical systems have to be working well and safe. The plumbing, the roof can't be leaking and needs to be in good shape. These are all things that could result in the lender denying the loan unless these things get fixed prior to closing. And in some instances, that's where you have an issue with the sellers or the seller's agent of the home, who they don't want to make the repairs because that's the only way that FHA purchase loan will close, is if the repairs are completed and verified that they've been completed before the loan closes, before you purchase the house. So sometimes that becomes a problem. Now, one of the things we talk about on the website is an alternative issue. Here is an alternative to that issue, which is getting the FHA 203K rehab loan. And in that situation, you are going to borrow the money needed to make those repairs yourself as the buyer. It takes the seller off of the hook, and you've got 6 months to make the repairs, plus the money needed to make those repairs can be included in the loan that you've used to purchase the property. Okay, so those are some of the major reasons why the home might not be eligible for an FHA loan. If you want to speak to someone, want to get a quote, want to ask some more questions, just follow the link down below in the first pinned comment. It's also in the description to FHAlenders.com. We have an article that talks about this, and we'll be able to help you there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.